Hello, and welcome to the garden games. It's finally the moment we have all been waiting for. The team challenge. Peppa and her family are having a sports day in the garden. It looks like our athletes are ready to begin. First up, the egg and spoon race. Ready, steady, go! Both teams are off to a strong start. Woo! Yeah! Oh no! How unlucky for the blue team. Try again, Danny. The red team has the lead and is starting the second challenge, the beanbag toss. There. Oh dear, the red team are having some problems. Here come Peppa and Daddy Pig. Wow!
Hooray!
That was a great shot by Peppa. Uh-oh. But Mummy Pig and George are back in the race. It's going to all come down to the last event, the Muddy Puddle Bucket Challenge. The first team to fill their bucket with mud wins. Oh, it looks like the blue team is off to a strong start. But don't count the red team out yet. Oh, now the red team is in the lead. No, it's the blue. No, red again. No, blue. Who is it going to be? That's it. It's a draw. Everyone wins.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Miss Rabbit on the bus says, all aboard, all aboard, all aboard. Miss Rabbit on the bus says, all aboard, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The children on the bus, they giggle, 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 giggle. The children on the bus, they giggle, 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 all through the town. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Peppa on the bus goes. Peppa on the bus goes all through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yay!
Oh. Ow! Oh. Ow!
Uh-oh. Oh dear.
Oh. Yay!
Oh. Ha-ha.
Oh!
Oh. Ha-ha. Huh. Peppa and Daddy Pig are baking a cake for Mummy Pig's birthday.
Daddy, this doesn't look like a chocolate cake to me.
You're right, Peppa.
Oh, I know.
Well done, Peppa. How could we forget the chocolate?
Now we just have to mix it. Oh!
Uh-oh. Peppa and Daddy Pig are trying again to make a yummy chocolate cake for Mummy Pig's birthday. This looks perfect, Peppa. Now all we have to do is get the mixture in the tin. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
That would have been a very yummy cake. Oh dear, it seems making a cake can be tricky. Finally! Our cake is ready for the oven, Peppa. Hooray! Now we just have to wait.
Hooray! Our cake is done. Cake, cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo, woo. Happy birthday, dear Mummy.
Happy birthday to you.
Well done, Peppa. This really is the perfect chocolate cake. Well, almost perfect. Oh. Hooray! It's a lovely morning, and Peppa and her friends are at a playgroup. Good morning, children. Good morning, Madam Gazelle. Ah, that's lovely. Now, I hope you have all done your homework. Yes, Madam Gazelle. Excellent. What have each of you decided to do for our playgroup talent show? I will be singing a song. Me, 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 me. I will be doing a dance. I will be making everyone laugh with my funny jokes. Ooh, I do love to laugh, Emily. And what about you, Danny? I will be doing some magic tricks, like this. Abracadabra, ziggity-zat. On the top of my head is now a hat. Ah. And my talent will be jumping in muddy puddles. All of the children are very talented. Wonderful, wonderful. Let's go to the theatre so we can get lots of practice before the big show. Hooray! Ooh. This is so exciting. I have never been on a real stage before. Me neither. Look at all the space I will have to sing my song. And look at all the different places I can sing. There are even sound effects for my magic tricks. Oh dear. It looks like Rebecca Rabbit is feeling a bit nervous. Are you all right, Rebecca? Oh, well, I didn't know the stage would be so big. Don't worry, Rebecca. Today is going to be the best day ever. I'm not so sure. Isn't this exciting? Oh, yes. I can't wait to see all the lovely performances. And now it is time for the Playgroup Talent Show. Good afternoon to all of our family and friends, and welcome to the Playgroup Talent Show. We have quite the show for you, and we know you're going to enjoy it. Now please welcome Peppa Pig. Hooray! My talent is jumping in muddy puddles. Hooray! Hooray! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Hooray! Why did the duck cross the road? Why did the duck cross the road? The chicken had the day off. Abracadabra, prickly thorn, say goodbye to this unicorn. Oh! Oh no, it looks like Rebecca is feeling nervous. Come on, let's help her. Come on, Rebecca, you can do it. Well, that was very special, wasn't it? All of our children worked very hard, but the talent show trophy goes to Rebecca Rabbit. With a little help from her friends, she faced her fears and danced marvelously. Hooray! Hooray! Peppa and George are in their little red car. They are playing I Spy. I spy something green. Grass! Yes, clever
clever, George. Yes, well done, George. You got that one quickly. Your turn, Mummy. Okay, I spy something big and blue. Oh, look, it's the sea. Daddy, you didn't tell us we were going to the beach. We wanted it to be a surprise. But the beach isn't the only surprise. Peppa and George are spending the day at Granny and Grandpa Pig's camper van by the sea. Hooray! Bye, Peppa. Bye, George. Have fun. See you later. Bye. Come on, George. Let's go up to our room. Me first. Granny, Grandpa, look at us. Careful up there, you two. Beach! Beach! Wonderful idea, George. Let's go to the beach. Woo! Woo! Not too fast, Peppa and George. The sea isn't going anywhere. Peppa and George love to splash in the sea, almost as much as they love splashing in muddy puddles. Oh, that looks like fun. Come on, Grandpa. Everyone loves the sea. Grandpa Pig doesn't seem to be going into the sea. Aren't you coming in, Grandpa? Not now, Peppa. I went for my swim this morning. Big wave coming through. Hey, Grandad Dog, can't you see I don't have my suit on? Grandpa Pig, who comes to the beach without their swimsuit? Well, I might as well come in now. Hooray! 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 Mummy and Daddy Pig have returned. Now, Peppa, what was your favourite part of the day? Well, my favourite part was very funny. Go on, Peppa. They will like that story. Grandad Dog soaked Grandpa with a big wave while we were on the beach. Grandpa, wet! Yes, George, but Grandpa wasn't wearing a swimsuit. Oh, that does sound funny. I certainly did not see that giant wave coming. You're welcome. Peppa and George are having a lovely time playing in the garden. My turn, George. Me. Woo! Now that's a funny noise. I wonder what that rumbly sound is, George. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Hello, Daddy. That's not our little red car. You're right, Peppa. It's a camper van, and we are going to borrow it for a few days to go camping. Hooray! Peppa and George love camping. Quickly, go and get your bags all packed. And don't forget your bikes. Hooray! Are we all ready? Yes! Yes! Okay then, everybody in. Off we go! Stop! What is it, Peppa? Daddy, we forgot our bikes. Oh dear, we can't leave without those. Let's try that again, shall we? Phew! Surely we have everything now. Hooray! Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, Peppa and George have arrived at their campsite. Wow! I love the forest. Why don't you and George ride your bikes for a bit while Daddy Pig and I set up camp? Yay! Come on, George. Hooray! I like our campsite, Daddy Pig. Me too. Now, who is hungry? Me! Me! It is already time for dinner. Mummy, do you know any campfire songs? I know this song. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bungly boo. Bong bing boo, bing bong bing, bing bong bingly bungly boo. Campfire dinner is served. Hooray! All right, you two, it's time for bed. Come on, George. Mummy, Daddy. Yes, Peppa. Can we go camping every day? Sweet dreams, Peppa and George. It's morning, and Peppa has just woken up in her bedroom. Good morning, bright and shiny sun. Good morning, George.
Whee!
Good morning, Teddy. I'm sure Teddy was right here. Uh-oh. Maybe she's downstairs.
Whee!
Good morning, Peppa. Good morning, George. Mummy, have you seen Teddy anywhere? She wasn't there when I woke up this morning. I'm sure she's here somewhere, Peppa. Peppa has an idea. I know. Maybe George and I can be detectives. Now we are ready to solve the mystery of the missing Teddy. Well, don't you look clever? Now, if I were a detective, I would look for Teddy's footprints. Look! Teddy prints! This way! Maybe she's in here. Ooh! Any sign of Teddy, George? No! Someone is at the door. Ooh! I wonder who it is. Maybe it's Teddy. It's Susie Sheep and Mummy Sheep. Oh, hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. I like your hats. We are being detectives. Do you want to play? Ooh, yes, please. What mystery are we trying to solve, Peppa? We are trying to find Teddy. She has gone missing, but we are following her Teddy prints. Where could she be? Could she be in here? She's not in here either.
Whee!
Maybe Teddy is hiding in the bathroom. Oh, I give up. Teddy is lost forever. Peppa, George, Susie, come quick. Mummy Pig has found more Teddy prints. Ooh, these prints are leading outside, Peppa. Look! They are heading toward our little red car. There you are, Teddy. What are you doing in here? That was silly of you to stay in the car, Teddy. The case of the missing Teddy is officially solved. Hooray! 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 Well done, detectives. I bet you have worked up an appetite following all of those clues. How about a snack? Ooh, yes, please. It's morning, and Peppa is at her playgroup with all of her friends. Ayo! Yes, much better. Good morning, children.
Good
morning, Madam Gazelle. Now, who can tell me what is so special about today?
The carnival!
That's correct. Ooh, voila! And right on time. All right, children, let's head outside. Here we go. Go on, have fun. Peppa and her friends don't know where to start.
What should we do first, Susie?
The Ferris wheel? Yes! Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Hello, Peppa. Let's do the carousel next, Susie. Emily, do you want to come on the carousel with us? Oh, yes, please. Any takers for the carousel? Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Hello, Emily. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Hello, Emily. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. What should we do next? Grandpa Pig! Madam Gazelle said she needed a train driver for the fun fair. And you know I do love locomotives. Now, all aboard! Hooray! Peppa must have had a very busy day at playgroup. Looks like she isn't the only one. Today, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa and George to a special market so they can choose a Christmas tree.
Look at all the Christmas trees.
There certainly are a lot to choose from. Can we get a really, really big one? Of course we can, Peppa. What about this one? It's a very nice tree, but it's just not quite big enough. What about this one, Peppa? That one's not big enough either. Oh, look, there's Miss Rabbit. Maybe she can help us.
Hello, Miss Rabbit. We're looking for a really big Christmas tree. Can you help us?
I think I know just the tree for you. This is the biggest tree in the whole market.
It's perfect. We'll take it.
I hope it will fit in our living room. Be careful, Daddy Pig. It looks very heavy. Oh no, it's stuck. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, push! Great job, everyone. What a beautiful Christmas tree. Are you ready to decorate it now?
Oh, yes!
What shall we start with? I think we should start with the tinsel because it's sparkly and shiny and it matches my dress. That's a great idea. Careful, Peppa. You're turning Daddy Pig into a Christmas tree too.
Oops. Sorry, Daddy.
That's all right, Peppa. Let's hang the rest of the decorations together. Peppa and George help Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig decorate the rest of the tree. They hang some colourful baubles and some more shiny sparkly tinsel and some flashing fairy lights. There, we're all finished. Well done, everybody. It looks amazing, but I can't help but feel that something is missing.
That That's right, George. There's no star on the top of the tree. It's not in the decorations box. I wonder where it could have gone. We can't have a Christmas tree without a star on top. George, where are you going? What a wonderful idea, George. We can put your dinosaur on the top of the Christmas tree instead. Rah! I think that this is the best Christmas tree we've ever had. Peppa and George are having lots of fun drawing Christmas pictures for Santa Claus. What are you two up to? We're making some Christmas drawings to give to Santa. I'm drawing a snowflake and George is drawing a Christmas tree. Well, they look lovely. I'm sure Santa will be very pleased with them. There, all finished. Come on, George. Let's go and show Daddy our Christmas drawings. Daddy Pig is busy wrapping up a Christmas present for Mummy Pig. Daddy, look what George and I drew for Santa. Oh, it's just you two. I thought for a second you were Mummy. What are you doing? I'm wrapping Mummy's Christmas present. It's a surprise, so I don't want her to see what it is. Can we give Mummy a present too? Of course you can, but we'll have to go shopping first. How about we go to the Christmas market? Oh, yes, please. I bet we'll find Mummy the perfect present there. Here we are. Wow! Look at that tree. It's almost as big as our house. And what big presents! I wonder what could be inside. I bet it's a helicopter. Dinosaur! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Hello, Madam Gazelle. What are you singing? We're carol singing. Want to try? I would love to, but George and I need to find a special Christmas present for Mummy. Why don't you try the Christmas pudding stall? My mum loves Christmas pudding. That's a very good idea, Candy. Come on, George. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Would you like to try some of my famous Christmas pudding? Yes, please. I love Christmas pudding. Here you go. Yum, yum. It's so delicious. I'm glad you like it. Daddy, do you think this would be a good present for Mummy? I think it would be a lovely present, but it's not that easy to wrap a pudding. Why don't we try over there? I think I saw some fluffy slippers that Mummy would like. Great idea. These slippers are so soft and fluffy. Mummy's feet are going to be so warm. Daddy Pig helps Peppa and George wrap the slippers for Mummy. George has the very important job of putting the colourful ribbon on top. Now we can put Mummy's surprise presents under the tree. There. Now Mummy has 2 surprises to open on Christmas Day.
What a lovely day to go outside. Have we got everything we need? Yes, I think so. I've got my ball and George has got his dinosaur. Wonderful. Let's go. Oh dear, it's raining. I guess we'll have to go to the park another day. Oh, but George and I wanted to play on the slide. A little rain never hurt anyone. We just need to get dressed in our waterproof clothing. Mummy and Daddy Pig help Peppa and George get dressed up in their wet weather clothing.
Come on, everyone. We can all stay nice and dry under my big umbrella.
Yippee!
Oh, good! It stopped raining.
You're right, Peppa.
Slide! Come on, George. I'll race you to the top. Don't worry, George. We can go down the slide together. Ready, George? Slide! Whee! Oops, sorry.
It's okay. It's only a little mud.
Look at all those muddy puddles. Puddles! Watch me.
Peppa loves jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
You try, George.
George loves jumping in muddy puddles too.
Wow, that's the biggest puddle I've ever seen.
Me first. Oh dear, I seem to be stuck.
Don't worry, Daddy. We can get you out. Pull! Pull!
Almost there.
Oh dear, now we're all stuck in the muddy puddle. This must be the muddiest day ever. Today, Peppa and George are visiting the aquarium with Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig. What's an aquarium, Mummy?
An aquarium is a special place where lots of different kinds of fish live.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Have you come to visit the aquarium? Yes, we've come to look at the fishies. Wonderful. How many tickets would you like? We need 4 tickets, please. There you go. Have fun.
Yippee!
Thank you very much.
The aquarium is full of different types of fish. Wow! Look at all the fish.
Yippee!
Hey, where did they go?
Not so close, Peppa. You're a lot bigger than they are, and we don't want to scare them.
There they are. Hello, fishies. I'm sorry that I scared you.
Little fish hide in the rocks and plants to keep safe when they see a bigger fish coming.
But I'm not a fish.
Ha, ha, ha. Let's look in the next tank. Oh, here are some very funny looking fish.
They're so beautiful. What are they?
They're called jellyfish.
Jelly!
They're not made of real jelly, George.
They're so wibbly wobbly.
Shall we see what we can find in the next room?
Yes, let's go!
In the next room, Peppa spots a very strange looking creature.
Oh, what's that? That's an octopus.
George is a little bit afraid of the octopus.
Ooh.
Don't worry, George. The octopus isn't going to hurt you.
Look at how many legs it's got.
Why don't you try and count them?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well done, Peppa. Oh, look, Peppa. There's your friend, Susie.
Ooh.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. Are you looking at all the fish in the aquarium too? Yes, but I think this tank is empty. No, Susie, don't do that. You'll scare the fish. You were right, Peppa. Wow, that's a really big fish. Fishy! The big fish splashed us. Ha 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 ha. What a naughty fish. Let's get you little fishies home and dry. Peppa and George love the aquarium. Everybody loves the aquarium. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are taking Peppa and George for a ride in a hot air balloon. Hello, Peppa. Hello, George. Hello, Miss Rabbit. That's a very big balloon you've got there. Why, thank you, Peppa. But it's not just any balloon. It's a hot air balloon. Why doesn't it just float away? Well, we need to fill it with hot air first. Also, I've tied it to the ground just in case. Well, it all looks very exciting. Shall we go for a ride then? Yes, please. It's a very hot day. I think we should all wear our hats to help protect us from the sun. Excellent! All aboard! It's a little bit cramped in here. Everybody ready? Here we go! Why isn't it going up, Miss Rabbit? I don't know. When I pull this handle, it usually makes the hot air balloon go up. I know! You forgot to untie the balloon from the ground. Oh yes, that's right. Don't worry, I'll untie it for you. There we go. Hurry, Daddy Pig. The hot air balloon is leaving without you. Wait for me. Here we go. Up, up, and away. Careful, Peppa. It's a long way down. Everything looks so small from up here. I think I can see our car from up here. Wow! And look, there's our house. Oh, hello there. I think it thinks you're a tree, Daddy. Its wings must be very tired to have flown all the way up here. Oh dear, where did my hat go? Daddy, the little bird knocked your hat off your head. Oh dear, Daddy Pig's head isn't protected from the sun anymore. Don't worry, Daddy Pig. Your hat won't have gone far. Down we go. I was sure your hat would be around here somewhere. There it is. Your hat's stuck in that tree. I'm not quite tall enough to reach it. Thank you, little bird. Thank you, Peppa. Thanks for taking us up in your hot air balloon, Miss Rabbit. I'm glad you enjoyed it, Peppa. Everyone had quite an adventure, didn't they? Yes, especially Daddy's hat.
Now, my little ones, I'm going to tell you a story.
Push me, George. Huh? Oh, swinging just isn't the same without Susie.
Peppa is missing her friends. Peppa, it's for you.
Oh, how exciting. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Susie. I have really missed you. Me too, Peppa. Shall we play a game? Oh, yes, please. Okay, guess what animal I am? A butterfly. Yes! Your turn. Peppa, you're a bunny. That's That's right, Susie. Well done. Oh, look. I wonder who that is. Hi, Danny. Danny, you're upside down. That's because I am a monkey hanging from a tree. Is this better? No, now you're sideways, Danny. Just like Super Potato. It's Super Danny. Oh. Hello, who's there? It's me, Candy. Candy, we can't see you. Oh, sorry, I didn't realise it was a video. Oh, that's a bit too close now, Candy. Oh, sorry. There. Oh, I'm so happy to see you all. Would you like to hear a joke? It's very funny. Oh, yes, please. OK, why did the banana go to the doctor? I don't know, Candy. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well.
Peppa, time for lunch. You can see your friends again tomorrow if you like.
OK, Mummy. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow, Peppa. Bye, Danny. Bye, Candy. See you soon. Bye. Bye, Peppa. I'll have a new joke tomorrow. I can't wait, Candy. See you tomorrow.
Peppa loves seeing her friends.
Peppa and Daddy Pig are baking a cake for Mummy Pig's birthday. Daddy, this doesn't look like a chocolate cake to me.
You're right, Peppa.
Oh, I know.
Well done, Peppa. How could we forget the chocolate?
Now we just have to mix it. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Peppa and Daddy Pig are trying again to make a yummy chocolate cake for Mummy Pig's birthday.
This looks perfect, Peppa. Now all we have to do is get the mixture in the tin. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
That would have been a very yummy cake.
Oh dear, it seems making a cake can be tricky.
Finally! Our cake is ready for the oven, Peppa. Hooray! Now we just have to wait.
Hooray! Our cake is done. Cake, cake!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woo, woo. Happy birthday, dear Mummy.
Happy birthday to you.
Well done, Peppa. This really is the perfect chocolate cake. Well, almost perfect.
Now, my little ones, I'm going to tell you a story. Peppa and her family are outside playing football.
Oh, Mummy, the garden is looking a bit messy.
You're right, Peppa. Grandpa Pig usually helps me with our garden, doesn't he?
Yes, and he can't visit us right now and help us like he used to because we all need to stay home for a little while.
I miss Grandpa Pig and Granny Pig too.
There, George. We will see them again very soon.
I have an idea. Come on, everyone, let's go inside. Why don't you two write letters to Grandpa and Granny Pig?
What a good idea. Peppa and George can have Granny and Grandpa as their pen pals.
What's a pen pal?
A pen pal is a friend that you write letters to, and then they write letters back to you.
Does that mean I will get my very own post?
Yes, Peppa.
Ooh, how exciting! Dear Granny and Grandpa, I miss you very much. Hope to see you soon. Love, Peppa. P.S. Our garden is very messy without your help. Yay!
Come on, Peppa and George. Now we have to take our letters to the post box.
Now all we have to do is wait. Right, Daddy?
That's right, Peppa. I'm sure Granny and Grandpa will write back straight away.
Ooh! Peppa, George, you have post. It looks like it's from your pen pals, Granny and Grandpa Pig.
Yay! Hooray! Read it, Mummy, read it.
Dear Peppa and George, thank you for your lovely letters. We miss you very much too, but it won't be too long until we are together again. Be sure to remind Mummy to water the plants. Lots of love, Granny and Grandpa.
The post is here. Oh, there is no post today. Oh, surprise! Granny, Grandpa, I thought I would just get a letter from you, but it's actually you.
I told you we would see each other again soon, Peppa.
We loved getting all your lovely letters. It made the time go so much quicker.
We were great pen pals.
We certainly were. Now let me see that overgrown garden. I'm sure I have my work cut out for me.
You definitely do, Grandpa Pig. Now, my little ones, I'm going to tell you a story. I'll get it.
Okay, George, now throw the airplane as far as you can.
Peppa, George, something came in the post for you. Grandpa Pig has sent Peppa and George some sunflower seeds and a letter.
What does the letter say, Mummy?
It says, Dear Peppa and George.
Here are some sunflower seeds to grow in your garden. Plant these in your vegetable patch and I will plant some in mine. Let's see who can grow the tallest sunflower. Love, Grandpa Pig.
That sounds fun. I am going to grow a sunflower as tall as Daddy. Come on, George.
May the best sunflower win.
Don't forget to wash your hands.
Wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash them nice and clean.
Bubbly, scrubbly, scrubbly, bubbly. Wash them nice and clean.
Look, George, it's growing.
Oh, yes. You're going to make a lovely sunflower.
Look, George, our sunflowers. Yay! George, you're supposed to water the sunflowers, not me.
These are coming along quite nicely.
Peppa and George's sunflowers have grown very tall indeed. Oh, Peppa and George, these sunflowers are beautiful. Let's take a picture to send to Grandpa Pig. Wonderful. Now let's wash our hands before we go inside.
Did you Granny Pig? I think it's your phone, Grandpa Pig. Oh, it's a picture of Peppa and George's sunflowers. Come look, Grandpa Pig.
Splendid. Peppa and George's sunflowers are much taller than mine. Let's send them a picture so they know they have won.
There. Perfect. It's for you, Peppa and George, from Grandpa Pig. He says, "Well done, Peppa and George. You've grown the tallest sunflowers."
Hooray!